Hello, kindergarten. We're going to do some more practice today with the beginning sounds in words. We're going to think about some words, the sounds we hear in the first sound, and what letter that is. So you need to get this paper out of your packet. This has a lot of words to practice. So we're going to do the first column. That's like when a thing goes up and down like this. This is a column. We're going to do the first column, the first 10 together, and then you're going to do the other side, the second column, on your own for some extra practice, okay? So be getting your name on this, and it says to fill in the missing sound in each word. So we're going to look at the picture. They've got the second and third sounds, the last two sounds in the word, but they don't have the first sound. So we're going to think about what letter we hear at the beginning, and we're going to write that letter to finish the word. I'm going to count down from 10 for you to get your name on, and then we're going to get started. All right, let's look at number 1. What is this picture for number 1? It's a pig. Listen carefully. What do you hear at the beginning of pig? What letter goes p? You said P. You're exactly right. We're going to make a lowercase p. We're going to go down, up, and around to finish the word pig. Let's look at number 2. What is this picture? It's a log. Let's say that word together. Log. Log. What do you hear at the beginning of log? What letter goes ol? The letter L. Remember, a lowercase l is just a straight line down. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, this is a jug. Jug. What letter goes j? The letter J. Let's write a lowercase j to finish the word jug. This next picture, number 4, is a cat. What letter do you hear at the beginning of the word cat? You said C. You're exactly right. Let's write a lowercase c to finish the word cat. Number 5 is a bed. Bed. What letter goes b? B. Bat and a ball to make a B. Number 6 is a wig. Wig. What letter goes w? W. You're going to slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up to make a lowercase w. Number 7 is a pan. Pan. We had that letter sound before. What letter goes p? P. Down, up, and around for a lowercase p. Let's look at number 8. Dog. Dog. What letter goes d? D. Around, up, and down. 2 more we're going to do together, and then you're going to do the other side on your own. This person is sitting. Sit. What letter do you hear at the beginning of sit? Sit. I hear an S. Last one together, we've got the sun. Oh, I hear the same sound I heard in sit. What do you hear in sun? It's also an S. All right, you're going to keep going, and you're going to say each picture and listen for the sound you hear at the beginning and write that letter. I'm going to tell you the names of these pictures in case you're not sure what something is. You've got ham, bat, net, rug, pot, mug, lip, jet, mop, and hat. You're going to say each word, think about the sound you hear, and write the letter for that sound. And when you've done that for this whole column, you can go back and color your pictures. Good luck!